Good. I am Dr. Naloma, working as a professor at the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. This SNS institution is one of the pioneer institutions in India. We are offering in this healthcare programming for under this paramedical courses like pharmacy, nursing, allied sciences and physiotherapy. In this, I am handling for BPharm first year pharmaceutical analysis subject. Today we learned about limit test. In this limit test, after learning, my students need to present this session as a DT activity. I hope this session was very useful for the young learners under this pharmacy division. Those who are studying BPharm first sem, those who know the basic concept of the limit test, this session is very useful for them. So directly we can go to the DT session. And limit test is playing vital role in this quality control activities in the API as well as finished product. This limit test concept was nowadays we are using with the help of electrochemical method of analysis. We can give better result. And the limit test is a semi-quantitative analysis. And this data accuracy has large limitation actually. Anyway, nowadays we are using for chromatographic and spectroscopic instrumentation for the quality control activities of finished formulations or API, active pharmaceutical ingredients or bulk formulations. But the limit test concept is very useful for even this era for improve the quality of pharmaceutical formulations. In our syllabus, we have limit test for chloride and limit test for sulfate and limit test for iron and limit test for arsenic we have. My students learn these all types of limit test concept and even they performed this limit test experiment in the lab also. They are very strong in their concept and they are very strong in the practical knowledge also. So these based sessions, they want to do their self-evaluation. So this session was continued by my students. Thank you.
Limit test is used to detect option A active ingredient, option B impurities, option C excipients, option D solvents.
I know the answer. It's option B, impurities.
Question number 2. Limit test for chloride is based on formation of options are option A silver chloride precipitate, option B barium sulfate precipitate, option C lead sulfide precipitate, and option D ferric thiocyanate.
I know the answer. Option A, silver chloride precipitate.
Third question. Limit test of sulfate reagent used is option A, silver nitrate, option B, barium chloride, option C, lead acetate, option D, ammonium thiocyanate.
I know the answer. The answer is option B, barium chloride.
Fourth question. The turbidity in limit test is comparable. Options. Option A, blank. Option B, standard. Option C, indicator. Option D, buffer.
I know the answer. The answer is option B, standard.
Next, fifth question. Limit test for ion uses. Option A, thioglycolic acid. Option B, micellar reagent. Option C, silver nitrate. Option D, barium chloride.
I know the answer. The answer is option A thioglycolic acid.
Sixth question. Limit test for arsenic is also called as option A, Getsite test, option B, Morse test, option C, Wolfram test, option D, Hazard's test.
I know the answer. Option A, Getsite test.
Question number 7. In arsenic limit test, arsenic gas reacts with option A silver nitrate paper, option B mercury chloride paper, option C lead acetate paper, option D litmus paper.
I know the answer. The answer is option B, mercury chloride paper.
Next, 8th question. Limit test for lead is based on formation of. The options are option A, white precipitate, option B, black precipitate, option C, yellow precipitate, and option D, blue solution.
I know the answer. Option B, black precipitate.
Ninth question. Nurseless reagent is used in limit test for option A chloride, option B sulfate, option C ammonia, option D iron.
I know the answer. Option C, ammonia. 10th question. Limit test reactions are generally options. Option A, quantitative. Option B, semi-quantitative. Option C, qualitative. Option D, titrated.
I know the answer. The answer is option B semi-quantitative.
Thank you.